Viewers, welcome to today's class. Today we want to learn subtraction of fractions. So the first one is 3 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So we use the butterfly method. So we say 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 5 times 1 is going to give you 5. So that is 9 minus 5. All over, you multiply what you have as the denominator. 5 times 3 is going to give you 15. So 9 minus 5 is 4, and then over your 15. In this case, you're going to separate your whole number from your fractions. We have our whole number as 2 and 1. So we have 2 minus 1. Now the sign that will be here is going to be addition sign, because when we bring it together we are adding it. So we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1, plus, let's multiply using butterfly method. 3 times 5, 15, minus 4 times 1 will give you 4. So 15 minus 4 will give you 11. 4 times 5 will give you 20. So you bring what you have back to add it to your own number. So the final answer is going to be one whole number, 11 over 20. So we move over to the other part. When you are solving an whole number and then with a mixed number, it's a different thing entirely. It's different from when you are adding. So in this case, you don't say 13 minus 5 and then you add for whole number 1 over 8. This is wrong. We have two methods for that. So first of all, you say 13 minus 9 whole number 1 over 8. Change your mixed number to an improper fraction. So we have 13 over 1 minus 9 times 8, 72 plus 1 is going to give us 73 all over 8. You find your LCM. So the LCM of 8 and 1 is going to give us 8. So 8 goes into 1 is 8 times 13 is going to give you 104. Minus 8 goes into 8 is 1 times 73 is going to give you 73. So you subtract that, it's going to give you 31 all over 8. Now 8 and 31, nothing can divide it. So you simply change it to a mixed number. So 8 goes into 31 is going to be 3 times remainder 7 all over 8. Now the next method is this. For every one whole number in 13, let's understand that it is going to be the denominator over itself. Now, it means in this 13 we have 8 over 8 plus 8 over 8 plus 8 over 8 until it's 13. So it means that for every one in 13 is 8 over 8, meaning that 13 can also be written as 12 plus 1 minus this 9, 1 all over 8. Now we are going to change this one into what I said earlier. So this is going to be 12 plus 8 over 8 minus 9 whole number 1 over 8. Now this can be written as 12 whole number 8 over 8 minus 9 whole number 1 over 8. Now in this case, now you separate the whole numbers from the fraction. So we have 8 over 8 minus 1 over 8. So 12 minus 9 is going to give you what? 3. Now, since this is a like fraction, simply concentrate on your numerator. So let's subtract the numerator together. 8 minus 1 is going to be what? 7 all over 8. So can you see it's still giving you the same answer? So any of the method that is simpler for you, you go ahead with it. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Goodbye.